Hello Uganda, I am Becky. Today I'm not here for jokes only. I'm here for responsibility. Today I want to talk about why your vote matters in Uganda. Let's write this down. Voting is not just lining up on election day. No, voting is your power, your voice, your future. When you don't vote, you're saying others should decide your future. When you vote, you choose leaders to help your children get school fees, better hospitals, clean water. Voting is like being a parent. If you don't choose well, everyone suffers. If you don't vote, you lose the right to complain about bad roads, corruption, or high prices. Why it is important to vote? Number 1, to choose leaders who represent your needs. Why it is important to vote? Number 2, to protect the future of our children. Why it is important to vote? Number 3, to fight corruption and demand accountability. Why it is important to vote? Number 4, to show that Ugandans are not silent, we care. Why it is important to vote? Number 5, because one vote can make the difference. Time to set an example. Comedy style. Example, if you send someone to market without sending them what to buy, they might bring lipstick instead of portion. The same with leaders. If you don't vote, you can't cry when they forget you. Final message. My fellow Ugandans, whether young or old, whether you are farmer, border rider. Final message. My fellow Ugandans, whether you are teacher, doctor, or single, let your voice be heard. Register, vote, and protect your future. Because voting is not just a right, it's a duty.